Hi there. Fold me a poem. Do you like origami? Origami. Square sheet of paper, folded, suddenly wakes up. Good morning, rooster. Buffalo. Crease the shaggy head, shape the shaggy flanks, fold sharp horns. Buffalo paws the tablecloth. Buffalo. Camel. What went wrong? Lean against this sand dune while I double check the directions. Robin's invitation. Fold a set of wings for yourself. I'll show you the sky. Green dog's surprise. You must have been up late last night folding. This morning when I awoke, I found 3 new friends. Shadows. Step out of those dark shadows. Crow, we want to see you. There's the crow. Cheetah and lion. Thank you for our swift running legs. When we return, we will let you know who won the race. Possibilities. 40 bright sheets of colored paper, a world of animals. Who will be next? Pond. My lily pad will not need a flower. It has a frog. Peacocks. Won't the peacocks be pleased when they spread their new tails? All these perfect pleats. Spring. At last my tulips arrive wearing purple crowns. Look, there's a peacock and tulips. Snake. Folding a snake? Need advice? Be precise. Rabbit complains. Unbend my ear. I can't hear a word you are saying. Recycled. A rumpled paper bag. Scissors cut a square. Fold, crease, bend. Behold, elephant. See the elephant? Protection. At one end of the table, the rabbits. At the other end, the foxes. I don't want trouble. Black and white paper. Stacks of black paper, stacks of white paper, zebras, pandas, penguins. White paper. My hole puncher clicks and clicks, snowflakes, snowdrifts. Windstorm. Hurry, animals, get inside the barn. My brother just turned on the fan. Ostrich's injury. I am so sorry my cat attacked. Glue, staple, tape, Band-Aid? See if it's torn. Warning, please watch where you hop, kangaroo. That is a puddle of glue. See, here's the glue. Dragon. Dragon, behave yourself. Remember, you are made of paper. Of course you're real, hippopotamus. Don't you see your wide shadow? Hungry. All afternoon, the paper cows have been eyeing the green paper. Oh, grass. Impatient. Yes, monkey, you may ride your donkey. I'm just finished painting the path. Finishing. Don't fidget, leopard. I need to do your spots. Disappointed moth. Why didn't you save any butterfly colors for me? Shining paper. Delicious crinkle. Slinky pieces of foil flutter between my fingers. Who wants wings? Tub. I hope these boats will float. The shore is lined with passengers. Night. Night unfolds softly. I'll add my own star. Bookmark. Thank you for waiting, giraffe. Sit here by this poem and I'll read to you. A song. One last tuck. Soon my cricket will chirp. Mystery. Before I sleep, I hear rustling, soft, papery whisper thumps. Is someone dancing? And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that, called Fold Me a Poem, with lots of origami animals. Hope you enjoyed it and that you subscribe and come back often. And we'll see you next time here on Stories with Grandma.